Now, this is a really interesting graph, and we can draw some big conclusions from this, which we're going to look at later. But just like any graph we come across as a straight line graph through the origin, the first thing we conclude is the two things on the axes are directly proportional. So in this case, we have really v, the velocity, the recessional velocity that the galaxy is moving away from us, and the distance that it is away from us. So we can just say that v is directly proportional to d. In maths, we just replace that directly proportional symbol with an equals k. However, in physics, we like naming all these constants, and if you're lucky enough to discover one, you can name it after yourself. So Hubble just called that, well, it's called two things. It's either called the Hubble constant or the Hubble parameter. Hubble parameter is probably more correct because we now have evidence that this may change slightly with time, but your syllabus refers to it as the Hubble constant. Now, if I was trying to work out what it is from this graph, I could just take a value on that line of v and d. However, the other way of looking at this is if we rearrange that equation, v over d, which is just rise over run. Okay, so in other words, the Hubble constant or parameter is just the gradient of that graph. Okay, so now based on that equation, try the questions below, and I'll post a little video of the solutions to that.